Hello and thank you very much for clicking onto this video. So it's another FabFitFun video. I'm just being careful there because my forgot to take the address off. But this is a box from the Endless Summer Sale. I actually can remember the name of that sale. There has been so many sales, but there's a little code around the side. So yeah, that was helpful. I know I only ordered 3 things from this sale because I checked my invoice. I actually had a mystery bag I ordered and plus 3 other things, and the mystery bag disappeared from my cart. So I don't know how that happened. It could be me, honestly, because me and technology are not great. So yes, so and this must be the one time I actually haven't opened my box yet, as I've been so busy today and I haven't been tempted because I know there's only 3 items in it. If it had been loads more, I definitely would have opened it. So here we go. I'm still slicing it open. And if you don't know and you signed up for FabFitFun, they do sales in between their boxes. Before their boxes, after their boxes, in between their boxes, they have loads of sales. And honestly, that's how they get you because there are some terrific items up to 70% off and well-known brands as well. So here we go. So this is a winter box. Sorry, I should have mentioned that. They are recycling their old boxes, which is great. And this is an old winter box from 2019. So plenty of packaging here. And yes, so that's just a leaflet to say about recycling the boxes. And that's my invoice. So just checking everything is there. Yep, I couldn't remember what one of the things was, but now I remember. Nothing pretty exciting really. You'll understand why when I show you. Socks. I need socks, and these were really good value. I think they were either $7 or $9, but I think there's 5-6 pairs, and I thought that was really good. They're just ordinary little sort of trainer socks. They're not the ones I got, the ones H by Halston ones, and I got the little sort of ones that are really sort of cut out, and they were terrible. I think they were very small for my feet. Yeah, so I tried these ones. They're just ordinary trainer socks. So, and they're a different brand. They're from Legal. So hopefully they are a better fit. And I've ordered stuff from Halston before, I think, and it's been really good, but the socks just didn't, they weren't really good quality, but these actually feel really good quality, and I like the different designs, the little stripes, and they're pink. Right, so next up, and great minds think alike, because I know Paula ordered this as well. This is actually a laundry basket. It's a travel laundry basket. During the summer, well, probably not so much now with the COVID thing, but I do travel quite a lot to the west coast of Ireland, and I thought this would be really handy to have the separate laundry. And Paula said my dirty laundry just usually goes on a plastic carrier bag. So this is really good. It's sort of like a washable nylon, and it's a dedicated laundry basket. So let's see. I love the lemon design. The lemon's lovely. So it just opens up and you can fold it away just as easily then. And there we go. And it's a drawstring. That's really good. And there we go. On a little pouch, you can use that for something, I suppose. That's the pouch that you stick it back in when you're folding it up. I think that was only $5, and to be honest, I was looking forward to this the most. Right, next up, and the last thing. Now I am really excited about this. This is from a brand called Teema, and they're Turkish towels, so they are sort of cotton towels. It's just a different way of drying yourself with cotton. It's supposed to be less abrasive on the skin. I have a son with eczema, so I thought I'd try maybe the cotton towel on with him and his skin. And another thing as well about the cotton towels is there's supposed to be less damaging if you dry your hair with cotton, because again there's less abrasion and rubbing and chances of breaking your hair, especially when it's wet. The other thing about the Turkish towels is you can use them for other purposes. You could use them as tablecloths and scarves and things like that. So now, where is my little trusty knife? And I love the colour of this. Now, there we go. And that's the Teema label on it. And I think this is quite a big towel. Yeah, so the big. So that's the other side of it. And it has the little fringes as well. You can also apparently use them as scarves as well. Just it feels lovely material. The only thing I was sort of hesitant about is I know I've seen Turkish towels before on eBay. I can get them for like £7 for the same sort of size. So I was actually wondering about the quality. Somebody said the Teema brand were really good, and I think sometimes you get what you pay for. The eBay ones mightn't have been sort of tightly woven. You know, the way there's a cotton count to many threads there are. They mightn't have been as good a quality as this, but be interesting. I might actually order some from eBay just to see if I end up liking this and using the cotton towels. I might compare the ones on eBay to see if they are any different. But yes, so I mean, these come highly recommended. They've got really, really good reviews. And I noticed actually on the add-on sale they had a blanket, a Teema blanket, and somebody was saying that was very good. So this was pretty expensive. This is $19, which is an awful lot to spend on a cotton towel. So, but it does feel like good quality, and if it's kinder to the skin, then maybe this is the way to go. I definitely heard people say that it's really, really good for drying hair because it's less damaging. So that is everything. It really is a very mini unboxing. But yeah, if you've any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments. And also, if you've ordered from the Endless summer sale, let me know what you've ordered. There wasn't, honestly, in the Endless summer sale, there wasn't much choices. I didn't think it was a very good sale. It was sort of repeat items of previous sales, whereas this add-on sale for the fall has been absolutely brilliant. There have been loads of different items, and I actually had trouble trying to cut my card. I had to cut my card constantly. Yeah, so that's it. I thought I was finished, and then I forgot to talk about the shipping costs. Yeah, because I only ordered 3 items, you would expect the shipping to be really high, especially international shipping, but it was only a flat rate of $5, which I think is pretty amazing for international shipping. I think the rule of thumb is as long as you order over $25 worth of goods, then it's the $5. Anything under, they can charge you more, and to be honest, I don't think it's worth it then. But yeah, that's brilliant, especially if you only want one or two items and you know it's going to be over the 25. It's well worth ordering. The other thing I keep forget to mention, if you just happen to be watching this video and you're watching FabFitFun videos just to find out about the company and haven't signed up yet, I do have a code for new subscribers. I'll put it in the description box. I keep forgetting about it. It's only $10 off your first box, but it's a win-win. It helps me. I get credit towards money off my box or items in the sale. But Google FabFitFun and offers, because sometimes they do better deals, like they'll give you a free mystery bag or free mystery items for new subscribers. So it's always, always, always worthwhile Googling and see if you can get a better deal. And if not, then just come back and use that code. But that is everything. Hopefully, that's helped somebody. And I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening wherever you are. Thank you.